Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. So this picture or view will give you an excellent idea of what the highway is going to look like when the entire project is finished. So we are on section 1A of the highway. That's the tour we're taking today. So to give you an idea of what the project is. The Southern Coastal Highway is to build a project from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. It's being built in phases, and where we are is in phase 1A, which is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. Now we are just by the turnoff to go to Grants Pen in St. Thomas. So as we continue down this road, we're going to end up in Albion. So this section of the highway, the alignment of the highway runs along the existing roadway. So the existing 2 lanes that were here have been upgraded to 4 lanes of highway quality road, which is what we're looking at, which is the dual carriageway with the concrete barricade, 4 lanes. This is what the entire highway will look like, running from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. It's going to be 4 lanes. So just to give you a quick summary of this section, from the Harborview Bridge to into 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway runs along the existing roadway that is being upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and it will look like the highway you're looking at now. Then from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, a new road has been built, and that's also the entire project from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge is 4 lanes. And a new highway has been built, and then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to just outside the Grants Pen area, a new road has been built. From the Suncoast Adventure Park to just outside Grants Pen, it runs along the existing highway. And then from there to where we are now, a new road has been built, totally bypassing Grants Pen. So the only way to get to Grants Pen now is to turn right here. The main road has been blocked because the new highway, the new section of the highway, or the new alignment of the highway goes over the hill, and it has actually blocked the existing roadway so that it could join up to where we are now. So you can no longer take the main road and go into Grants Pen. You have to turn here. And then from here to Albion, it's going to run from here actually to the Yallow's Bridge. It will run along the existing roadway. So we're going to take a tour now and drive down this road so you can get an idea of just what this highway is going to look like when it's finished. And you notice everywhere you see the signs that block up the road, and this car is coming up the road on the opposite side. And the highway is not even finished, it's not even commissioned and opened yet, and people are doing these things on it. Alright, so we're going to drive on the finished section of this highway. And remember, it's going to be 4 lanes, it's just 2 lanes on the left. I'm not sure why they've blocked it off, but this will give you an excellent idea of what this road is going to look like when it's finished. And it's scheduled to be finished in 2025. The entire project, 110 kilometers of roadway from Harborview to Port Antonio. But as we said, it's being built in sections. So as one section is finished, they'll open that roadway. Alright, so this section is still under construction. As you can see, this section is very advanced because some sections are actually finished and you can drive on it. So I'm sure this section between Harborview and Yalos will be open long before 2025, maybe even next year, 2023. So we're now going into the Albion area.